Looking for serious bass and sound separation? Today, we're covering the best 6.75-inch component speakers for bass, perfect if you want a big improvement in both low-end punch and overall sound quality. Let's dive straight into the top picks. First up is the Kicker 46 CSS674 component speaker system. These speakers are designed for powerful bass and crisp sound separation. The polypropylene woofer cone with ribbed UV-treated surrounds handles bass frequencies easily, while the separate 1-inch titanium dome tweeters deliver smooth, detailed highs. Rated at 100 watts RMS, they thrive on factory head units but truly shine with an amplifier. Kicker's minimal distortion design means your bass stays clean even at high volume. If you're looking for deep, aggressive bass without sacrificing clarity in your music, the 46 CSS674 speakers are a top-tier upgrade. Next, meet the Rockford FOSGATE R1675-S Prime Series 6.75-inch component speakers. Known for their rugged build and punchy sound, these speakers feature a mica-injected polypropylene woofer cone for deep, powerful bass response. The separate 1-inch silk dome tweeters keep vocals and highs silky smooth without harshness. Rated at 40 watts RMS, these speakers are a great match for both factory systems and small amps. The included external crossovers ensure proper signal distribution, helping every part of your music sound clean and precise. If you want classic Rockford performance with real bass impact at an affordable price, the R1675-S set is an excellent choice. Now let's talk about the HERTZ K1706.75-inch component system. HERTZ is well known for their natural sound tuning, and the K170 system delivers powerful bass with incredible warmth. The treated paper woofer cones produce rich, full-bodied low end, while the PEI dome tweeters ensure sparkling highs without being shrill. Rated at around 55 watts RMS, the UNO K170 speakers are dynamic, even when driven by factory radios. Their slightly warmer tuning makes them perfect for anyone who loves rich bass, without the need for additional subwoofers. For those looking for musical natural bass with high sensitivity, HERTZ UNO K170 is a hidden gem worth considering. Next up, we have the JVC CS-DR 1700C 6.75-inch two-way component speakers. These speakers offer a lightweight carbon mica woofer cone, producing tight mid-bass and clean lows. They're rated for 50 watts RMS and can handle peaks up to 300 watts, giving them excellent headroom for louder setups. The separate balanced dome tweeters keep the highs clear without sounding piercing. The CS-DR 1700C is a strong choice for users who want solid, clean bass and good separation between frequencies without needing a big amplifier upgrade. If you're on a mid-budget and want a noticeable bass lift without the hassle, JVC's component set is a great solution. And that's our list of the best 6.75-inch component speakers for bass. For deep, punchy bass with smooth highs, Kicker's 46 CSS674 leads the pack. For warmer, musical bass, check out HERTZ UNO K170.